Hey guys, just want to hop in before the video start. If you know NSPIRE, you've been rocking with the movement. We have some air fresheners, black ice, and new car smell. Logo front and back, vacuum seal, available right now on the website NSPIRE.shop. So if you need some air freshener and you've been rocking with NSPIRE, this is it right here. Go get yours right now. Links down below. So let's get back to the video. Hold up. Hey man. What's up, bro? That's a nice car you got there. Oh yeah, appreciate it, bro. Yeah. Well, I got something to tell you though, if you don't mind. Yeah, you can say whatever you want, dude. First of all,
his hair, whack. His gear, whack. His jewelry, whack. His foot stance, whack. The way that he talks, whack.
What's good, fam? How y'all doing today? I am doing great. Guessing from the title or from the picture or that little skit that I did in the beginning of the video, we're gonna fix my fitment on my car. For most of you that might said, oh, what is there to fix about? You know, it's not too bad. Well, let me show you. Come here. So the front is pretty much flush to the fender. Yeah, but let me show you the rear. Look at that. You see that? You see this? Unacceptable. What is this? It's not even. How we're gonna fix this fitment is hopefully by some extended studs and some slip-on spacer. So let's get to it. So before we get to the installation part of the video, let me give y'all some little details. What I have right here are the kind of forgot what the name of this studs are, but I'll put it up on the screen. These are 40 millimeters on the thread length, and just so y'all know, it's from the base of this to here. That's the thread length, and these are 40. I think normally stock GS or IS or around that ballpark, they're about 31-ish millimeters, so almost about 10 millimeters add-on. And I have right here is two spacers. This one is 5 millimeters and this one is 10 millimeters. I'm not too sure which one that's gonna get it the perfect fitment, but we're gonna try both. I think the 10, probably most likely the 10, but yeah, both just in case. We have a wheel stud installer. Of course, you don't need to use this. You can use a bunch of old washer to help it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna show y'all and demonstrate this right now. You can get this on Amazon. I have the affiliate link down below. It's not too bad. It's gonna help it install way smoother. If you wanted to do the old school way with the spacer, my boy Kenny did a video of it a few months ago, and I'm gonna link it out on the video. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If you're looking from here, you can see that the wheel are sunken in a little bit, and the front are somewhat flush to the fender. That is because of one, my spec on this rear wheel, and also the natural camber of the car. Oh, shout out to my lovely fiance over there. She was behind the camera earlier, but yeah, should be a fairly is that to take off the wheel stud, we're gonna have to take off the rotors, which means we need to take out this bolt up here for to pull down the calipers, and then hopefully it won't be seized on enough, or we're gonna have to use the bolt from my previous view of my rotor replacement to pop it out, and after that we should be fine. Don't worry about this. This is just my hub cylinder ring. Alright guys, so I had to call a little bit of audible. It was getting dark outside, so I had to put everything back together and put the car in the garage so I can get some light. But let me catch y'all up. Once you take off the wheel, you need to take off the calipers. And there are 2 bolts, 17 mils on top, one up here, one down here. It's gonna be kind of hard, but you know, if it won't move and budge, put some WD-40 and everything like that, it will come out. You don't have to take the 14 mil bolt to take off the pads. I did it anyway just to show y'all. But yeah, when you do that, you take it off, you let it rest. Make sure that you don't strain the brake line, just in case. Now, you just need to find the bolt to push this off. Now, my rotors are not seized into the hub, so it's easy for me to take it off. I'll try to do this one hand right now. Boom. All right, and here we are. The stud. The way you take this off is, normally there's a safer way to do this, but I'm just gonna hammer it out. And technically you're not supposed to do this, but it is what it is, and it works just fine. Don't mind me in the video. I'm wearing a earpiece right now because in this garage it echoes a lot, so it's gonna hurt my ear, especially when I put in the new studs. This is OEM and this is the aftermarket. Now you can see there, I bought this to show y'all. This is from Amazon. It's about 22 bucks, something, give or take. So imagine this is your stud at the back. You put this in like this, it should look like that, and then you have the thing between. What it's good is it has ball bearings in the back. So when you use an old lug nuts to help compress it in, it would just spin the lug nuts and this instead of stripping it. So that way it'll be a lot faster and better, and you won't destroy your lug nuts. Now if you have some crappy one that just lays around, that's fine, it's up to you. But that way it will spin and help it from damaging the stud or the lug nuts. back together. Bolts are tight, top and bottom, and the caliper ones. And then the rotors are on. Stud looking good. Just gotta put the wheel back on.
4 to 6 weeks later.
It's been like a month-ish since the last video, and I couldn't finish the video because there was an issue with the install that came. You see this? I'm gonna put it right there just to show y'all that it fits on the hub. Snug. Well, guys, I'm done. Like I said, this part is going to be really quick. Probably can't tell much, but it's a little more flush now towards the fender. Before, this part right here was a lot more sinking in here. Now, this is 8 mil. I could go for 10. I kind of want to go for 10 now from what I can see, but it's okay. It's a lot better than before. A lot before, when I'm standing right here, you can't even see this part right here. It was a lot, is more in. But overall, I'm happy. I think total for everything, the wheel stud was like $30-something, and then the spacer itself, since it was, I needed 8 mil and hub ring. It was kind of custom on from eBay. It was like $50. Not too bad. That's how the car looks right now. Excuse my car. Car's been sitting in the garage. It's been filthy. Let me go from the front. Now it's sitting. Not too bad. Like I said, I would probably like to go 2 more mils in the back, but it's okay. This is temporary for now for this wheel setup. Alright guys, that's it. I hope y'all liked the video. It was a minor adjustment to the wheel spec. That little minor stuff does affect it, to me, to some people, but I hope y'all like it. What do you think? Was it worth it? Comment below. You think it's worth it to do all that just for a little minor 8 mil, or you said it's okay, it doesn't really matter to you? So say something in the bottom. yeah, leave a comment below. Also, like this video. Been pretty bad at doing this whole YouTube thing. Hopefully this summer it'll kick that up. Other than that, so far this whole year has been a blessing. I got married. The funny thing is, I told my now wife that since she owns half of what I have, that means she pays for half the car parts for this car. So, all right, do you agree with that? Again, leave a comment below too if you agree with that. If since she owns half of this car now, so she pay for half the parts. You never know. Your boy's trying to redo the whole car by the end of the summer. So, yeah. So till next time, deuces.